If you're looking for the easiest digital side hustle to start in your 50s in 2026 and beyond, and you'd love to earn an extra thousand or even a couple of $1,000s a month without creating your own product or becoming a tech wizard, then this video is for you. I'm Trevor, and on this channel, I help people over 50 build retirement income using one traffic source, one simple system, and monthly passive income strategies without all the tech overwhelm. And before we get started, if you'd like to see exactly how this works from start to finish, I put together a free on-demand masterclass. You'll find the link in the description below. Now stick around because later in this video, I'm going to share the one mistake that keeps most beginners stuck for months. And it's probably not what you think. Now, when most people hear the words affiliate marketing, they either think it's too complicated, or worse, it's probably a scam. I completely understand. If you're over 50, you've probably seen dozens of shiny online opportunities promising overnight riches. Most disappear as quickly as they arrived. Affiliate marketing isn't about chasing the latest trend. It's simply recommending products or services that already exist. When someone buys through your referral, you earn a commission. No manufacturing, no stock, no customer support, no refunds landing in your inbox while you're trying to enjoy your retirement. Personally, I quite like the idea of someone else dealing with the awkward customer emails while I'm putting the kettle on, or maybe having a beer. But here's where I think many beginners go wrong. They spend weeks trying to build their own course, design their own ebook, or create the perfect product. The trouble is, creating a product is only half the job. You still have to market it, answer customer questions, handle payments, deal with updates. And if something breaks, guess who gets the phone call? Yeah, you. Affiliate marketing removes all of that responsibility. You can focus on learning one skill, helping people find a solution, and earning commissions when they buy. Now, here's something I wish more people talked about. Not all affiliate products are created equal. Most beginners chase one-off commissions. They make one sale, get paid once, and next month they're back to square one. Instead, I prefer recurring commission products. Think about it. If a product pays you every single month while the customer remains a member, you don't start from zero every month. You gradually build predictable monthly income. One commission becomes five becomes 20, and before long, you've built an income that helps pay the household bills or tops up your pension. That's when affiliate marketing starts feeling less like a side hustle and more like a retirement income strategy. By the way, if you're wondering which affiliate programs actually offer recurring monthly commissions, that's exactly what I cover inside my free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. I walk you through the type of products I recommend, why recurring income changes everything, and how beginners can get started without making expensive mistakes. The link is waiting for you below. Now let's talk about another myth. I'm too old. Honestly, who decided that learning has an expiry date? If you've built a career, raised a family, managed finances, solved problems for decades, you've already developed skills that younger people are still trying to learn. The only difference is learning how to use those skills online. And thankfully, today's tools are far simpler than they were maybe a few years ago. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to figure out all types of software. So you just need a simple system, one traffic source, a willingness to learn, and consistency. That's exactly what I teach here on this channel. Remember that mistake I mentioned at the beginning? Here it is. Most people spend months looking for the perfect opportunity instead of choosing one proven business model and sticking with it. They jump from YouTube to Amazon to crypto to the latest shiny object. 6 months later, they've been incredibly busy but achieved very little. Success usually comes from not adding more complexity. So if you're over 50 and you'd love to build an extra monthly income without creating products, handling customer support, or getting buried in technology. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest business models you can start today. Don't forget to watch my free on-demand affiliate marketing master using the link in the description. It could save you months of frustration and help you avoid the mistakes that catch out so many beginners. Now that you've learned why affiliate marketing is such a great retirement side hustle, the next thing you'll want to learn is how to build retirement income without the complicated setup. Freedom by design. I'll see you over there.